She is unshakable. She is unstoppable. She is infallible.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Glorious journey. Tell us about it.
Good afternoon, everybody, all the members of the media here, and thank you so much. Thank you very much. It's such a warm welcome, as every time. Yeah, we meet at events.
So many of them.
He's just really generous with introductions, so thank you each time. And to all of you for coming to celebrate with us. Hi, I see you all now more clearly. For coming to celebrate with us the launch of the Infallible collection, and of course, very kindly, reminding me and celebrating with me 15 years with the brand. And this just makes me smile in all humility and with absolute gratitude to L'Oreal for having me enjoy belonging to the family for this wonderful 15-year journey thus far, and a couple more ahead for sure. And Film Festival, starting of course, as you all already know, and I keep reminding you all at every event that I am to talk about my relationship festival, which was such an honor for me as a member of the Indian film fraternity to get the kind of welcome that we received from the festival and the world media, and the appreciation, the fantastic reviews, and the way the world media and international cinema opened up to our world of excellent cinema. I proudly belong to the Indian film fraternity, and that shall forever remain the start of my association with the Cannes Film Festival, which thereon got consolidated ever since I came on as a member of the L'Oreal family. I'm going to go beyond using the term brand ambassador now, because 15 years is long enough for us to call ourselves a family now. And it's been so many incredible memories all these years. And I consider myself privileged to have had the opportunity to represent us, the Indian woman, a member of the Indian film fraternity, year after year, along with a terrific brand like L'Oreal that, of course, is a cosmetic giant and an industry by itself. But at the same time, as a company, we together talk about we have a wonderful platform like the Women of Worth Awards, and even in our very motto, when we say we are worth it, we are constantly doffing a hat off at the incredible, unstoppable spirit and strength of us women. And that to me makes my association, it seals my association with the brand and makes it absolutely, virtually synonymous to me. So thank you for having me on board and represent the brand, and the pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Oh, Manager, L'Oreal Paris India. Please give a big round of applause for Rajiv Garg. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you? Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I think 2016 is a real milestone year for us as we celebrate 15 years with Aishwarya at Cannes. So first of all, thank you, Aishwarya, for being such an important part of L'Oréal Paris journey. And as we always say, for us, Aishwarya truly is our entire job and objective is to build together international beauty and makeup trends for all over the world. And this year will be the same. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to officially tell you what this is all about. To tell you the collection says that my makeup is. I am not infallible, but yet I can. And that is the true spirit of Infallible Collection this year. So without further ado, I would request Aishwarya to please unveil the Cannes Collection 2016. Right, please.
मैडम लेफ्ट प्लीज ऐश्वर्या जी थोड़ा सा ये
in the season, and I think it's I think that's some of the perks and privileges of belonging to the family. But I think it's wonderful that we've come up with a collection now introducing fun lip glosses and eye pencils and lip liners to add on to the collection that already exists. And if I can technically answer that, I think it's perfect for the season. It really works because ask a lady. So it's perfect for the current season. It's perfect for the woman of today who's multitasking, who has long days, who has to go from one occasion to another. And I say each one is an occasion because whether it means you're going to the office for an interview, for a presentation, for a meeting, to a quick lunch, a work lunch, a conference, an event such as this, or an evening out. To have the makeup that you use to be able to actually stand the test of time and be infallible kind of works with the infallible spirit of the women of today. So I think in that way it's a perfect synergy. Slides or house slides?
A little bit of house lights, please. And ma'am, introduce yourself.
Yeah.
And
Hi Aishwarya, I am a journalist Pooja here.
Hi, I'm sorry I can't see you, but hi.
It's been 15 long years of you as a great brand ambassador with L'Oréal. How was the journey and what is the most important product for you to be today's woman?
Wow. Like I said, for a brand ambassador, somebody belonging to a family, to be asked to pick on a favorite is is being put in a spot. It's a bit of a difficult question to answer. So I would say that I've had the pleasure of getting to not just be the face of a whole range of products with the company, but I've also had the pleasure of sampling a whole load of products, which kind of goes nicely with the turf. था तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण था और मेरे लिए बहुत मायना आज तक रखता है वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही यादगार रहा वो अनुभव और उसके बाद I got to once go and actually announce and declare the festival open. I've been there with L'Oreal year after year. There have been times when I've got to share my movies there as well on a couple of screenings, be it Provoked, be it Ravan, taking Jazba last year. Sharing our work has meant a lot. Abhi, whatever the expectations be, sometimes you want a screening with a red carpet, sometimes you get it at the Palais, sometimes you get it at other theatres. वहाँ जाकर देखें तो बहुत सारे venues हैं, not just the main Palais. And there are so many, it's all film. It's all about films from every part of the world. So there are so many platforms. But it's great that we get to meet all of you, exchange with everybody and share whatever we have to offer. And even if it is not my film, when I'm traveling there, I so often end up speaking about whatever films of ours is getting showcased there or is getting represented or looking for representation. And I'm very humbled and privileged that I'm given that opportunity to be a part of us and speak for us, because we are not individuals whenever we stand on a global platform. You represent us, the Indian, and us, a member of our fraternity. And that means a lot. And every such experience is always humbling, always precious, and means the world.
So today, there's a lot that's spoken about brand ambassador responsibility. So do you feel responsible for the brands that you endorse? And do you think brand ambassadors should be held responsible for the brands that they endorse?
Clever question. So since there are many questions in there, we'll start with the first part of your question, which is...
Do you feel responsible for L'Oreal and the brands that you endorse?
First, it's my privilege and pleasure that companies choose me to represent their products. The fact that one has accepted to become the face of a company, it means there's a certain degree of belief in the products, because we know we're going to be standing on a platform here and there's going to be you on the other side with this mic asking this question. So, that's on a lighter note. Huh? So basically, the point is, to put it seriously, you do know that you yourself as an individual have to enjoy the products and believe in the products that you are going to be endorsing, becoming the face for, becoming the voice for. Because yeah, it's today a lot more different than probably when I first started as a model, as a student the night before, and getting another modeling assignment, and at that point it's a photo shoot, it's an ad film shoot, and you go and you do it, and you probably didn't know better, and it was a different world even not so long ago, and today it is a much more informed world, and accordingly people make their choices. So having been around for as long as that we have, and the proof of the pudding is in the eating. I think a lot of my brand associations wonderfully have easily, naturally crossed a decade. And that in itself, I think, is statement enough in the fact that I do believe in the products that I'm endorsing.
Aishwarya,
Those ones for sure.
Hi, Aishwarya. Hi, this
that's
side.
completely
So-
true. You've had a very long association with the brands that you endorse, but sometimes brand associations don't go very well.
I will speak about me, my brand associations, and what I stand for.
Right, but do you think brand ambassadors can be held liable for the brand they endorse?
When you use a term like liable, I think that's a question for legal departments to answer.
Hi, Aishwarya. Hi, this side. Soma Ghosh from Gresh Bhuva.
Hi, Soma.
मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि टुडेज आज के तारीख में हर महिलाओं को प्रेजेंटेबल होना कितना ज़रूरी है, चाहे वो घर पे हो या बाहर जाए,
और दूसरा है कि मेकअप किसी भी लेडी को कितना इन्हांस करती है?
एक औरत होने के नाते, एक इंसान होने के नाते, और just I think I truly believe it's each to his own or each to her own. I have always believed that in every aspect of life, whether it means how you choose to present yourself, whether it means what choices you make in your life for your careers. It's a bit in advance, no? I mean, considering between now and then also I'll be meeting you a couple of times. To have a wardrobe laid out this early would be too early. Would be y'all assuming that I have that kind of time and that kind of attention to detail from this early on. So no, that has never held true for me, believe you me. I have never spent sleepless nights and weeks or months on planning any such thing. I'm very much a girl like any of you, on the go, and with so much multitasking on a daily basis, you virtually go with, okay, this works, this fits, go with it. That's the absolute truth, and that's the way it's been for years. Because each year I think next year I'll be able to give a lot more time. Hota nahi hai. Saal ba saal, which I think should be good news that it's so hectic and so busy. But yeah, that's been the story of my life, and that's the way it's been rolling.
Bollywood fraternity, and there's a big debate going on with Salman Khan becoming the brand ambassador for Rio Games. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I just have to say that anybody who's doing good to represent the country, and anyone who is working or speaking or standing up for the betterment of whatever vocation we have in our country, be it sports, be it art, be it music, I think that's wonderful, and that's what needs to be recognized. Thank you. Well, it's wonderful. I thank my well-wishers world over who make each time my going to Cannes so memorable for me, and make it such joy that I actually can't believe it's been 15 years. I mean, it's all flown by the blink of an eye. And each time, even though it may seem that, oh wow, you've gone year after year, believe you me, each time there is reason for that experience to remain individual and to remain especially memorable for that year itself.
एक सवाल है कि हाल ही में एक कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी
जी नमस्ते।
हाल ही में कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी ऑफशोर अकाउंट्स को लेकर, पनामा पेपर्स को लेकर। आपकी तरफ से कोई अभी तक सफाई नहीं आई है, उस बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, आपका क्या कहना है?
स्टेटमेंट दे दिया गया है, and that stands true individually as well as by members of the family. A statement has already been given to the media, and the rest, all the queries that need to be answered to the government of India, is being done. Thank you.
अभी आपने बताया कि आपके वर्किंग आवर्स बहुत हेक्टिक होते हैं, बहुत बिजी होते हैं, तो इस तरह के काम में अपनी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को इतनी खूबसूरती से कैसे बैलेंस कर पाते हैं?
जिस तरह आप करते हैं वैसे ही मैं भी करती हूँ। मेहनत बहुत है, आप मानेंगी, तो वैसे ही हम दोनों औरतें और यहाँ जितने भी हैं सब, as I said it, a couple of heads have all gone like this. तो मेहनत है, लेकिन हम सब करते हैं, and the guys do. It's all about just being working individuals and finding the balance. But if you want to do it, you will do it. So nothing is impossible.
Aishwarya? Hi, Shreya from Bollywood Live.
Infallible spirit of all of us present in this room. That's what we celebrate.
Aishwarya? Yeah, so can we expect a screening of Sarabjit at Cannes this year?
Somehow the rest of the team is not here to answer that question for you. I do know that it's releasing on the 20th of May. I don't know if they will be able to make the opportunity possible on that platform as well, because it is in the last week, right? I mean, you all know how often we are meeting you in the last week while a movie is being released. So, given the timelines, I think if it is possible, they will, the team will look for that opportunity. But however, if there are too many deadlines to be met, that may be an opportunity they may regretfully have to bow out of. So we wait for the last 10 days to be able to announce either which ways, if there be such an opportunity. But thank you for asking, because that would have been the perfect platform to share it, but somehow it's just coinciding with the week of release as well. Yeah.
ऐश्वर्या, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि दुनिया की टॉप ब्यूटीफुल में आप, दुनिया की टॉप ब्यूटी लेडी में आपका नाम आता है, तो हम ऐसा माने कि ये लॉरियल का कमाल है।
I think जो आपने सवाल पूछा है, इसका आंसर बहुत सिंपल है. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan for us is an infallible spirit who in itself is a very, very beautiful person, A at heart, and as a person as well. And for us, it is not about the fact that at L'Oreal we say that with our products you get beautiful. It's all about, as she said, you need to be comfortable in your skin. And secondly, we celebrate the spirit, we celebrate the person as she is. And for us, that's why she's infallible and that's why she's with L'Oreal Paris.
ऐश्वर्या, अभी हाल ही में हमने देखा कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा भी टाइम मैगजीन के कवर पेज पर आ चुकी हैं और आप भी टाइम मैगजीन के कवर पेज पर रह चुकी हैं और अब प्रियंका चोपड़ा हॉलीवुड में भी बहुत ही अच्छा काम करी, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप उनके लिए?
Kudos to everybody for all the frontiers that you wish to achieve, and you are. लेकिन हम आपके चैनल पर भी फीचर हो चुके हैं और वो भी हमें उतना ही, हम अपने आप को उतना ही खुशनसीब समझते हैं कि we have you interview us and we have the opportunity to be covered and featured by you as well. So thank you.
All right, we'll take one final question. Sir, आपने तो सवाल पूछा है, किसी और को मौका देते हैं. अगर नहीं है तो मैं आपके पास आता हूँ. Somebody who's not asked the question. Okay, final question, sir.
Yeah, first of all, I want to congratulate you actually that you have completed 15 years continuously. It is not an easy job. But I cannot understand, there are so many models nowadays who are trying to crop up, and you are the person who is continuously holding the stage. So is there any secret of that actually? What is the reason that still you're holding up so tightly, you know?
So I like the way you asked the question.
Thank you.
Investigative, very investigative.
Thank you for the compliment. Thank you so much, is all I'd like to say. And well, I'd like to credit the love and the support of all of you and my well-wishers world over. You've not had me even realize the way time's been flying by. And that's why I said, when we say time's flying by and time is not enough and in our everyday 24 hours is not enough, that's a good sign. And I would like to say this today, that I'm equally proud and happy to see so many of you. Many new faces, but so many faces right from the first day that I got to stand in front of you, and I had some of you shouting out, "Madam," or "Aishwarya ji." I mean, so many of you down the years, and I think it's great that we're all here, still being professional. Will mean you're stepping forward and not just staying stagnant in a position. So, thank you very much for all your blessings and love.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Let's give a big round of applause. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Ranjit. What a fantastic afternoon it's been here. And thank you very much for being here. Big thank you to all the media.
Aishwarya ji,